Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to our chemistry class. Today we are going to continue our topic on mass spectrometry. In this class we are going to discuss about McLafferty rearrangement. You may pronounce it as your wish friends. Okay, I would like to pronounce it as McLafferty rearrangement. Okay, try to understand the concept friends. Okay, let us see. Okay, this rearrangement involves cleavage of alpha beta bond followed by transfer of gamma hydrogen atom. Okay, we have to remember only the 2 points. Okay, here what will happen is just the cleavage of alpha beta bond. Okay, already I discussed about the alpha beta like that. So here the cleavage of alpha beta bond will occur. Then what will happen is just gamma hydrogen atom will transfer. So here the 2 points are, first one is cleavage of alpha beta bond. Second point is just the transfer of the gamma hydrogen atom. Okay, just try to remember these 2 points friends. Okay, see, means here cleavage of alpha beta bond, transfer of gamma hydrogen atom. Okay, that is McLafferty rearrangement friends. See how simple it is now. Yes, next see, the rearrangement leads to elimination of neutral atoms. Okay, this McLafferty rearrangement leads to the elimination of neutral atoms like amine, aldehyde, ketone, unsaturated compound. Okay, this is the amine friends. Okay, this is the amine. Means just I have represented the bonds. Means just I want to show alpha beta gamma because knowing about this alpha beta gamma is most important for us to understand the McLafferty rearrangement. No, yes, see, okay, see, this is alpha. Okay, means adjacent to amine. No, so this is alpha carbon, this is beta, and this is gamma. The same thing in case of aldehydes also. Okay, alpha beta gamma, and this is ketone, alpha beta gamma. Okay, this is the unsaturated compound. Okay, here also friends, alpha beta gamma. Okay, first what we have to do is just represent the carbons as alpha beta gamma. Okay, next try to understand the concept which we discussed. What is that? That is just alpha beta bond cleavage and gamma hydrogen transfer. Okay, see first. Okay, see, this is the heteroatom. Okay, the concept friends, again the concept is repeated, that is bombardment of electron will occur. That bombarded electron will come out. Along with this, a single electron from this particular atom will also be lost. So that here we have to represent this particular oxygen as, okay, radical cation like this. Okay, and of course I have represented here. Okay, and this is a radical and this is the positive charge. Okay, see what's happening, try to observe. Okay, see, here this particular double bond will shift towards this. Okay, towards this bond. So what will happen here, the double bond will be formed. Okay, and see, here this particular bond will move towards this side. So here the bond cleavage will occur. Okay, see, this is alpha and this is beta. No, so here the bond between the alpha and beta, that means here alpha beta bond cleavage will occur. Okay, so alpha beta bond have cleaved. Okay, next see, this particular hydrogen, okay, this is gamma carbon. No, so the hydrogen which is attached to the gamma carbon is what? Gamma hydrogen. So here the gamma hydrogen, what will happen, sorry, what will occur means, see, here the gamma hydrogen will transfer. So this particular gamma hydrogen will move towards this side. Okay, see, here this is the transition state friends. Just I have shown the bond making and bond breaking. Okay, see, here as the bond has shifted towards this side, I have mentioned this particular thing as, see, broken bond like this. Okay, see, like this. So this is the transition state friends. Next, see friends, here see, as this bond has broken, here this particular bond has broken, and here double bond is formed. No, so see, CH2, okay, double bond, okay, double bond Cr1, and this is as usual friends, and this gamma hydrogen has transferred to this heteroatom. So this is the gamma hydrogen which has transferred. Okay, and of course here the double bond is moves to this bond. No, so CH double bond CHR. Okay, CH2 double bond CHR. Means here what happened, the neutral atom, okay, the neutral molecule is formed, and this is the radical cation. Okay, hope you understood. This concept is nothing friends, just okay, first we had to represent the carbon as alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, and here we should know 2 points, that is alpha beta bond cleavage and gamma hydrogen transfer. Okay, so here the bond between the alpha carbon and beta carbon cleaves, so that is alpha beta bond cleavage, and here the gamma hydrogen will transfer to the heteroatom. Okay friends, let us apply the same concept in case of amine also. Okay, this is the amine friends. Okay, and here the bombardment will occur, and finally we have to represent this nitrogen like this. So this is like just like a radical cation friends. Okay, see here this double bond will move towards this side. Okay, see this is alpha beta gamma, no, so the bond between alpha and beta have to cleave, no, so that this bond will move towards this side. So here the double bond will be formed, and here the bond has broken. Okay, and this gamma hydrogen will shift towards this heteroatom. Okay, see, so that finally observe this product friends. Okay, see here the bond has broken, no, so this will remain as usual. So CH2 double bond C R dash C NH, and here the gamma hydrogen has transferred, no, so here we had to add that particular gamma hydrogen, okay, by putting a small bond, okay, like this. And here as usual friends, okay, R2 CH double bond CH2, and here also friends the neutral molecule is generated, and of course this is the transition state. Hope you understood this rearrangement friends. I hope this is very easy and very important rearrangement friends. Okay friends, thank you.